Welcome to the TCC Library's online tutorials. In this video, we will go over the ENC1101 Issue Analysis Essay for Meta Majors. Specifically, we will go over the ENC1101 Research Guide, Meta Majors, the Career Assignment Guide, Career Videos and Career Databases, Searching the Databases for Issues, Interview Resources, and How to Get Help. For this assignment, you are required to have two secondary sources, one which must come from the TCC library. You are also recommended to have one primary source interview with a professional in your selected major. Note: details may vary based on your instructor. Please verify your assignment details with your instructor. To begin your research process, locate your Canvas shell and select Library Research Guides in the left-hand menu. From here, you can scroll down to locate our contact information. You can schedule an appointment or email me, or you can contact any one of our librarians with our chat or our phone numbers or our Zoom appointment scheduler. The first step in your research process is to select your meta major. Some of you may already have a major of interest. If this is you, great. You can move on and begin your research. For those of you who are unsure, I will go over a few bits of information with you here. For those who are unsure of what your major of interest could be, it may be easier to select a meta major instead. A meta major is a path for your primary area of study. That is, these are groupings of related fields of study. For example, a student might not know exactly what they want to major in, but they may know that you're interested in arts, humanities, communication, or design, as opposed to these other areas. So a meta major is designed to help you at least discover a particular pathway that you can go through to have success. TCC has 8 meta majors designated, as you see outlined on the slide. You can visit this link at www.tcc.fl.edu/pathways for more details on meta major. Additionally, you can visit the meta majors page in your Canvas research guide. The link labeled TCC Pathways Programs Listed by Major will take you to the designated website. You can click down each of these grouped headings to see areas on this campus that we have specific pathways for your success related to these groupings. If you just want a general transfer, you can select General Transfer, and then you will see all of our specific majors that we have currently listed. Ideally, you'll be able to select one of interest. If you are still struggling with selecting a major or using the meta majors to help you get more focused on a major, then I recommend taking the Career Coach Assessment. This can be a quick assessment of just 6 questions or a larger assessment of 60 questions. It will recommend to you careers based off of your answers and your interests. Once you have selected your major, you are ready to start your research. To begin your research, I advise going to the Career Assignment, Careers, Overviews, Interviews, Videos, and Networking to begin. From here, you can scroll down, and I recommend starting at Career Videos. You can search in Films on Demand, Careers, and Job Search Videos. Since I am interested in being a librarian, I am going to search Librarian at the top field here. You will want to search your specific career or major. Once I have searched, I'll see several results here. What are interesting in these are the industry challenge videos. You might find a specific issue in the workplace that you can focus on. Feel free to scroll through. Perhaps you are interested in children's librarians or a more specific area. There are several options that you can browse through. Back at the research guides, I also recommend going to Background Databases and Gale Virtual Reference Library. From here, again, you can search your specific major or career of interest and hit search. I've generated several results here. You can click them to get an overview of the career and see if any specific issues stand out to you. Some of these may be simply informational. If you're looking for a specific issue, you can try a couple strategies. One, you can use Start the Topic Finder and see if any of these categories might highlight a specific area or issue that you can focus on. So here's library more generally. I'm focusing or interested in academic libraries, and I see again that these are very informational. To lead your results in a specific direction, you can search within. You can type keywords such as ethics, or challenges, or obstacles, or issues. It will vary depending on what's in the database. Here I am going to search challenges, and I'm going to select a related title. In order to see where it mentions challenges, I can press Control F on my keyboard and type the keyword challenges. Here I see it mentions it once, and it specifically is referring to the pace of work not being slow for librarians and facing pressure to rapidly locate information. This might be an issue I'll want to investigate. To save this article, I can send it to myself and send it to my email and hit send. I can also generate a citation by clicking Cite. This is machine generated, so it will need to be corrected. If I am still struggling to find an issue I can focus on, I can search my career and type issues in career in Google. This will generate several different pages depending on what your major is. I'm going to select this one, the top 10 challenges in academic libraries, since I'm interested in academic librarianship. And it lists several specific issues that I might want to focus on once I figure what my issue is going to be. So once you've determined your major and you've determined your issue that you want to study, then you can search in the databases for specific issues. I recommend using this tab, Searching the Databases. From here you can scroll down and you'll see we've listed a couple databases we recommend. Further down, you will actually see some specific issues you may consider focusing on in your careers. And you can also see our search strategies we recommend for the database. For Academic Search Complete, we recommend using subject terms as your strategy. If you use US News Stream, you do not need to search by subject terms. You can just use the regular search bars. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate using my topic of librarians in Academic Search Complete. I'm going to put librarians, and I'm going to put job stress. I'm going to designate these as subject terms, and I'm also going to select the full text box. This will make sure that all articles are attached. They show up with the full articles. I will hit search. I see several results already. I noticed this one's about school libraries. This one's about academic libraries, which I'm interested in. There's also one about public libraries. So again, you might select the one you're most interested in. I'm going to select the title here, and to get to the full article, I'll actually need to press the full text finder to get linked. This means that the full article is not in this database, but another one. If I like what I see, I can email it to myself by selecting email, typing in my email address, and selecting a citation format of MLA, and hit send. The cite tool is also on the right here, and you can scroll down, you can copy and paste a citation. Again, this is machine generated, so please double check it's correct. You can use that database or US News Stream. In US News Stream, you do not need to search by subjects, you just can put the keywords in. If you want to locate a primary source interview, you can go back to the Careers Overviews Interviews page, and you can scroll down. We have some tips on how to network to build a connection with a professional in your field. Additional advice we have. We recommend considering who you already know: family, friends, acquaintances, friends of friends, classmates, your instructors. Ask them if they know anyone, or if you have any friends on social media or anyone you could connect with on social media. Consider local companies, businesses, organizations that might be in the area of your interest. Look at websites. Look at job ads. See if you can locate the contact information of any of these employers. Send them an email, send them a call, or try to visit in person. Of course, adhere to CDC guidelines during these times. And again, utilize your social media if you would like. Connect through Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or any website where you can connect with a professional. Remember, if you are using social media, maintain professionality. If you're having a hard time locating a professional and your instructor allows it, consider using an interview in our database. You can go to Careers Overviews, Interviews, Videos, and Networking, and scroll down to our career videos. The second option here, Candid Career Videos, is a database chock full of interview materials. Here you can search a specific profession and locate a potential interview video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact your TCC librarian.